So far, 80 cases are reported in the state and 21 deaths. And why amoebic meningoencephalitis cases is getting reported in Kerala? The answer is quite clear that after 2023, we have insisted on finding the reason for reporting every single encephalitis case and also finding the cause of it. We know that in the country, in the entire country, more than 70% of encephalitis cases, we don't know the cause of encephalitis cases. So Kerala started reporting it and finding the cause of the disease from 2023, particularly after the Nipah outbreak in Kozhikode. So now what is happening is that doctors will do the viral panel test, they will do the test for amoeba and they find amoebic meningoencephalitis cases. And what is the advantage in identifying cases? So when we do early detection, we are able to save lives. That's it. So if it's Naegleria fowleri, the mortality globally is 99%, 99%. And for Acanthamoeba and other amoeba, it's definitely more than 60%. And now see, out of the total 80 cases, so far 21 deaths were reported. And also, we have developed our own testing facilities here. And in all the microbiology labs, definitely amoebas are detected and we do the PCR test. And we have issued guidelines back in 2024. We have issued technical guidelines, and we know that CDC Atlanta, even CDC Atlanta, in their guideline, the sources, they say are the stagnant water, the pools and all. But from our experience, we have amended our guideline in such a way that we say that this can happen. The wells can also be the sources. That's it, any water source, that's it. And that is scientifically correct too. So we are, and also we have also developed an action plan based on One Health. So that's it. So we are continuing our effort in identifying the disease, in finding the cause and giving early treatment, saving lives.
In fact, madam, there is a lot of fear mongering. They say brain-eating amoeba in the national media, especially if you see, especially outside Kerala. So,
Yeah.
Do we have any data regarding this kind of cases in India, where how prevalent it is in other parts of the country? Do we have any literature on that?
I understand that the Calcutta, the Institute of Tropical Sciences, they have conducted a study. And the AIIMS, Delhi, they have conducted a study, and in their study it stated that more than 70% of the total encephalitis cases in India, we don't know the cause of those cases, which means that only 30% we know the cause. Others are unidentified. We don't know the cause, which means that those 70% cases, the patients are not getting proper treatment. But in Kerala, what we do is that we identify the disease, we give early treatment, and we could save lives. We can save lives. That is it. So definitely we'll go forward. There is nothing to worry about. And this brain-eating amoeba, it's Naegleria fowleri, not the Acanthamoeba. And for the Naegleria fowleri, this mortality is 98%, 99%. Yes.
And how many are there now in treatment? Under treatment?
27, I think. Yes, 27.
Across Kerala.
Across Kerala. Thank you very much. Thank you.